Hey everybody, Chris here. Well, the crypto market's dumped, but Dogecoin looks to be pumping back up again. So, what is going on? Well, we know that the economy is not doing well, especially in the United States, with rising inflation, rising interest rates, concerns about supply chain issues, and the war going on over in Ukraine. All of that leads to not good news, meaning not good trading. Stock market not doing well, crypto markets reacted. However, with Dogecoin, Dogecoin took a big hit yesterday, dropping below 14 cents again, flirting with that 1360 line. I'll show you that again in the charts. But now, recovering, pumping back up. Why would Dogecoin be different than all the other cryptos? Because we know what's going on with Dogecoin and what its potential is, as well as next week, possibly news that will pump Dogecoin even higher. What am I talking about? Talking about Tesla. Tesla has its earnings report coming on April 20th. And with that, they're probably going to be saying they've got a stash of Dogecoin. We think they do because they've been accepting Dogecoin for merch. That's a small bit of it. But have they been accumulating some on their own? There's still hints that they're going to be accepting Dogecoin for payment for cars, maybe just for down payments first, maybe for the whole car. We'll see how that plays out. We know Elon's got plans. Got plans for Tesla, got plans for SpaceX, and got plans for Dogecoin. Whether that's part of the whole Twitter thing or not, I don't know. Hostile takeover? Is that what Elon's going to do with Twitter? I don't think he liked people telling him that he'd have to watch what he says and look out for just the best interests of the shareholders. Why would anyone want to do that when you're the richest person in the world? You could just buy out the company. That could be what he's doing with Twitter. We'll see. Of course, again, what does that have to do with Dogecoin? If Dogecoin gets embedded into Twitter as the tipping mechanism, that would be huge for Doge. And I think Elon knows that. I think at first he was just suggesting that Twitter Blue, which is his monthly payment system, so that you get your blue check mark and you can, hobnob with the Twitter elite, I guess. That monthly payment could be paid in Doge. I think that's where he was going to start. But a whole tipping mechanism throughout the whole Twitter universe would be even awesomer. That's what I think. But we're still dealing with this economy issues. The rising inflation, not good for the US dollar, not good for overall stock markets, but could also be good for crypto, because crypto sometimes goes opposite of what the stock market does. Crypto can be a safe haven when inflation and interest rates aren't good for regular currency. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So here's the Dogecoin chart as I'm recording this, and we saw yesterday the big dump in Doge, but here was Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin having a big dump as well. Bitcoin came down below 40,000. Looks like it hit about 39.3, 39.2 right in there. So 39,000 Bitcoin. That's a good dip, people say. Dips below 40,000. Bitcoin did some recovering, but look at Doge now this morning. Doge having a little pump here. So that is looking positive for Dogecoin, because we know that Doge can be more volatile than Bitcoin. Funny, sometimes it looks like when Bitcoin goes down, it pulls the whole crypto market down with it, including Doge. When Doge pumps, sometimes it spurs the crypto market to start pumping a little as well. We know that certainly happens with SHIB, but it happens with other coins as well. So we could see a little bit of that recovery coming on the backs of Dogecoin. Dogecoin now has that ability to do that. But overall, it's still Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the one that still has over 40% of the overall crypto market And still, as Bitcoin goes, so goes most other coins. What I was looking at was this yellow line again. This is 1360. When Dogecoin dropped below 1360, started trading up and hitting it as resistance again. I was like, oh no, we're going to stay below 1360. But overnight, Dogecoin traded back up above 1360, making what was resistance now become support again. So that would be good. Stay above that. In fact, why don't we just stay above 14? I think that'd be better for Dogecoin. This green line here, that green line I had drawn on the daily, that was the upward trend line that Dogecoin was following. And I thought Doge was going to continue to follow that upward trend. But on the daily, this big red candle yesterday, that was because of Bitcoin and Bitcoin trading down. Now you'd wonder about Bitcoin. This downward trading, I mean, there was the big Bitcoin 2022 conference last week. And Bitcoin was up here, 46,000, trading very well. And then during the conference, Bitcoin just dumped down. I don't know what that says about the conference and its impact. I'm seeing Michael Saylor on there talking about like Bitcoin this and Bitcoin that, and everybody should be buying Bitcoin. Of course, he's going to say that. But the price just kept going down. So those people are buying up here at 47,000. They should have waited until it was down here at 40,000. Could have gotten cheaper Bitcoin. Now, is Bitcoin going to continue down, retest 37,000? It might. And if that happens, then Doge could be dropping back below 1360. We'll see. What we're looking at on total coin market cap, Dogecoin in 11th, solidly in 11th. Only down 6% for the week. Look at Polkadot, down over 20% for the week, and Polkadot has dropped all the way down to 13th now. Again, Dogecoin down only 6%, Avalanche 18, Luna 27, Cardano down 20, XRP down 14, Solana down 21, Ethereum down 13, Bitcoin down 13. Dogecoin down only 6. That's pretty good for Doge. So we'll watch the trading this week. I'm certainly going to be keeping tabs on the news and what's happening in its relationship, direct relationship to the crypto markets. We'll keep you updated through the week. So with Dogecoin trading back up, things are certainly looking good again. That was a big dip. If you really wanted to get some more Dogecoin, there was a good opportunity there in the 13s. To buy more Doge. Add more to your stash. So hope you were able to do that. I saw on Twitter some people were posting that, yeah, they got some more Doge in the 13s. So good for you. But if you were using the approach where you just accumulate little Doge at a time, maybe day by day, week by week, then it doesn't matter. You're just accumulating Doge. Some people are doing that too, which is a pretty safe way to go. I think overall, Dogecoin is looking good. We're looking at trading going up. Yeah, there's going to be ups and downs. That's what happens if you're a long-term hodler. You're not too concerned about that because you know what the long-term view is. Doge's going to be all right. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the crypto markets going down, but Doge going up. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.